Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our detailed cleaning tutorial for the Conga 05796. In this video, we will guide you through the necessary steps to clean your device thoroughly, ensuring optimal performance. Let's get started. First, gather the tools you will need for this process. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, microfiber cloths, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help you access the internal components and clean them effectively. Begin by turning off your Conga 05796 and unplugging it from any power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the device is completely powered down before proceeding. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the bottom of the device. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble the device. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the device. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the internal components. With the cover removed, you will have access to the internal parts that require cleaning. Using the soft brush, carefully remove any dust and debris that has accumulated inside. Pay special attention to the motor and sensors, as these areas can significantly affect the performance of your Conga 05796. If you notice any stubborn dirt, a slightly damp microfiber cloth can be used to wipe it away. For those hard-to-reach areas, the can of compressed air is invaluable. Use it to blow out any dust that may be lodged in tight spaces. This will help ensure that your device operates efficiently. If you find that you don't have the necessary tools or feel uncomfortable performing this cleaning yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess your device and provide you with a detailed report on its condition. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your Conga 05796. Carefully place the cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any rattling or movement during operation. Once reassembled, plug your device back in and turn it on. Observe its performance to ensure that it is running smoothly. Regular cleaning can significantly extend the life of your Conga 05796 and improve its efficiency. If you prefer not to handle the cleaning yourself, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to have your device serviced without the hassle of traveling or making phone calls. Simply schedule a pickup and we'll take care of the rest. Before any repair, we provide a quote so you know exactly what to expect. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your device maintenance. In conclusion, regular cleaning of your Conga 05796 is essential for maintaining its performance. By following these steps, you can ensure that your device remains in top condition. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.